Airplane travel can often be stressful and exhausting, but with a few clever hacks, it can become a breeze. One of the most beneficial hacks is to invest in a good quality travel pillow that provides adequate neck support, ensuring a comfortable sleep during long flights. Additionally, choosing a pillow with a removable and washable cover can help maintain hygiene during extended travels. Remember to opt for a compact pillow that can easily fit into your carry-on luggage without taking up too much space. Another indispensable trick is to pack a small, lightweight blanket or scarf to stay warm, especially during chilly flights or layovers. This simple addition can significantly enhance the overall comfort of your journey. Moreover, selecting a blanket made from a soft, easily foldable material can provide warmth without adding extra weight to your baggage. Consider choosing a versatile scarf that can double as a fashion accessory during your trip, adding both functionality and style to your travel ensemble. Preparing a well-organized travel kit with essential toiletries, such as a toothbrush, toothpaste, and facial wipes, can help you freshen up quickly during long-haul flights, leaving you feeling rejuvenated upon arrival. Additionally, including a travel-sized bottle of moisturizer and lip balm can prevent skin dryness caused by the cabin's dry air. Prioritize items with secure caps or seals to prevent any unfortunate spills or leaks within your bag. Efficiently managing your carry-on luggage is crucial. Utilize packing cubes to maximize space, and keep your belongings neatly organized, making it easier to find items without having to rummage through your bag. Furthermore, consider color coding your packing cubes, or using transparent ones to quickly identify specific items without the need to open each cube. Labeling each cube with its contents can also streamline the process of locating items, saving valuable time during your travels. To avoid the hassle of dealing with dead electronic devices, carry a portable charger or power bank with multiple USB ports. This ensures that you can charge your devices on the go and stay connected throughout your journey. Additionally, choosing a power bank with a high capacity can provide multiple charges for various devices, eliminating the need to search for electrical outlets in crowded airport terminals. Choosing the right seat on the plane is essential. Opt for an aisle seat to have easier access to the restroom, and stretch your legs without disturbing other passengers, or choose a window seat to enjoy the scenic views during the flight. Moreover, selecting a seat near the front of the plane can reduce the time it takes to disembark upon arrival, allowing you to exit the aircraft swiftly and efficiently. Familiarizing yourself with the airport layout before your journey can save you time and reduce stress. Knowing the location of your departure gate and nearby amenities can prevent last-minute rushing and unnecessary anxiety. Additionally, identifying the nearest lounges or quiet areas within the airport can provide you with a peaceful retreat to relax and unwind before your flight. Dressing comfortably in layers is key to adapting to temperature changes in the airport and during the flight. Wearing breathable fabrics and comfortable shoes enables you to relax and move freely throughout your journey. Additionally, consider packing a lightweight jacket with multiple pockets to store small essentials, such as your passport or boarding pass, within easy reach. Choose versatile clothing items that can be easily layered or removed. Staying hydrated is crucial during air travel. Bringing an empty reusable water bottle through security, and filling it up at water stations can help you stay refreshed without spending extra money on bottled water. Additionally, consuming hydrating fruits like watermelon or cucumber before your flight can supplement your water intake and contribute to overall hydration. Avoid excessive consumption of caffeine or alcohol, as these substances can dehydrate the body. Planning your meals wisely is essential, especially for longer flights. Packing some healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, or granola bars can prevent hunger pangs, and keep your energy levels stable throughout the journey. Moreover, selecting snacks that are rich in fiber and protein can help you feel full for longer periods, reducing the temptation to indulge in unhealthy, calorie-dense airport snacks. Be mindful of any food restrictions or allergies and pack accordingly. Utilizing noise-canceling headphones or earplugs can significantly reduce the impact of surrounding noise, creating a peaceful and serene environment for rest or entertainment during the flight. Furthermore, selecting headphones with comfortable cushioning and adjustable headbands can provide long-lasting comfort, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music or audio content without any discomfort. Keeping essential medications and a small first aid kit easily accessible in your carry-on luggage can provide peace of mind in case of any minor health concerns that may arise during the flight. Furthermore, consulting with your healthcare provider before your trip to obtain any necessary prescriptions or medical advice can ensure that you are adequately prepared for potential health-related challenges. Taking short walks or performing simple stretching exercises during long flights can help improve circulation and prevent muscle stiffness, contributing to a more comfortable and enjoyable travel experience. Moreover, practicing basic yoga poses or gentle stretching routines in your designated seating area can alleviate tension and promote relaxation throughout your body. Refer to in-flight wellness guides or consult with fitness professionals to learn specific exercises. Maintaining a positive attitude and a sense of patience is crucial. Unexpected delays or inconveniences can occur during air travel, but staying calm and adaptable can make the journey more manageable and less stressful. Additionally, practicing mindfulness and deep breathing techniques can help alleviate any feelings of anxiety or frustration, fostering a sense of inner tranquility and resilience. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.